So this is Eric at Prince George Ford, pre-owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ram 1500 in an ST trim, I believe, and powered by a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with vent shades on the windows, mud flaps on the front and rear tires, and a soft top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. You've got some nice accessories there, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. You also have two cup holders in the middle here and some more storage bins on either side that are pretty deep. Looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 131,199 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls. And on the left, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your Trip A information, your Trip B information, your trailer tow status, messages, which would be low fuel, your screen setup in general, and then being able to turn the menu off and go to your, you can also go to your digital speedometer, vehicle info, and fuel economy. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, USB, Bluetooth, and auxiliary capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Moving down from that, you have your climate controls here, just on three simple dials, very easy to use, with your hazards above it. Then you have your trailer brake controller, your traction control shut off, your tow haul mode, and then over here you have your four-wheel drive controls, or selector. Then you have a 12-volt power outlet here, as well as having a USB on the other side. Then you have this shelf, which comes out to give you a bunch of space for your stuff. And moving on to your center, your center console area, where you have three cup holders, and then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, with USB, auxiliary, and another 12 volts, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio there. But then this does fold up and out of the way to become your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.